We didn't mean to suggest that deserving is outside the vortex. You do deserve it. And when you know you deserve it, you're in the vortex. Once you're aware of this, the universe cannot defy you. It's fascinating, isn't it? To truly understand purpose as you felt it coming in, compare the feeling of going on vacation with going to work. Ideally, they should feel the same. But for most people outside the vortex, they do not. Many describe purpose as something they should do for a cause or improvement, while a vacation is seen as self-indulgence. From a non-physical perspective, you shouldn't separate these two. The word purpose is tricky because expansion is inevitable. Purpose makes it seem like if you don't do specific things, expansion won't happen, which isn't true. Expansion will happen through life experiences, whether you're purposeful about it or not. This is creating by default. Your true purpose is joy and alignment. The purpose of your life is joy. Everything else is a given. Source always looks at the wellness derived from sickness with joyous anticipation of its manifestation, maintaining a strong vibration for you to catch if you're joyously oriented. Your thoughts in the moment cause you to offer a vibration, which is your point of attraction. It's worth considering your recent vibrational offerings as they influence your current vibration. If you've been depressed and now feel anger, you're in a better place because anger is influenced by the recent depression, not joy. Your point of attraction is completely about the vibration you're offering now. As you reach for better feeling thoughts, you move quickly up the emotional scale. Your vibration is influenced by your thoughts and free will. In every moment, your vibration, set point of attraction, and emotion result from who you really are and what you're thinking. Recent thoughts influence your current thoughts. It is our desire that you leave with a short list of intentions. First, decide to be in the vortex. Even if you don't always know what that means or how to get in, understand that sometimes you just stumble in. Recognize delicious moments and consciously appreciate them to stay in the vortex longer. Milk these moments to practice the in-vortex vibration. By doing so, you hover near the vortex and are drawn in more frequently, experiencing evidence of your alignment. If we were in your shoes, we'd interact with people, especially little ones, from inside the vortex. Express your knowing through the clarity of your vibrational projection, radiating your perspective from inside the vortex. Only call, email, or converse when you're sure you're in the vortex. Otherwise, remain silent and wait for the opportunity to be in. Be vocal when in the vortex and silent when not. Stop defending, justifying, or proving yourself outside the vortex, as it is futile. Commit to being in the vortex as much as possible. This decision will lead you to spend 10% more time in the vortex each day until you're mostly inside it within 10 to 14 days. Manifestations you've been waiting for will begin to show up quickly, and your joy will soar. Your clarity, physical alignment, relationships, and perception will improve, and you'll become an empowered creator of your experience. Understand that the universe supports you fully, and everything you ask for is ready to be assisted. Your work is to ensure you're in the vortex. Your new mantra could be to seek things you want to see, appreciate, and love wherever you go. We have enjoyed this interaction immensely and appreciate the forward motion your probing has provided. There is nothing we need to do, but we all continue to exist because life feels so good. There is great love here for you. And as always, we remain in the vortex.